That's okay.
Good morning, Ms. Harris. All right, we're gonna get going now. I'm gonna start letting them in. Where's he been? Wilson. You don't know?
He said he had like somebody stole his steering wheel off his car.
Hey, good morning, everyone. What I'm going to try to do is get you out as fast, efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. If the gentlemen have wearing hats or hoodies, take it off. Everybody be properly dressed. Make sure you have an ink pen so that you can write down any necessary information. So let's go, and then mute your devices and turn your background noise off just so it doesn't interfere. We can get you out of here. It'll make things go a lot quicker. All right. You ready, Madam Court Reporter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Rayshawn Leonard. City of Detroit versus Rayshawn Leonard, case number SP 1122215, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 11816, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 17551971, SP 177114771, 17354821, 207222228, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Rayshawn Leonard.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Leonard. Today is the date and time I'm going to say is set for a pretrial. Let me make sure all the K 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, Mr. Berry, it's only okay. He's got 3 cases that aren't on the docket. What's purposes of arraignment on those cases?
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand muted.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf on those. There's a no ops, unregistered, untitled, and a no insurance misdemeanor from 2020. Mr. Leonard, I'm going to let you speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yeah, the other 3 are at 9 o'clock for pre-trial.
Oh, the other 3 are at 9 o'clock. So they're on the docket, but they're just not in the same place then. Join the room. Mr. Leonard, let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. We'll pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus Gregory Oliver Jr. Needs appointed counsel. Did you get an appointed attorney, Mr. Oliver Jr.?
No, nobody reached out and contacted me.
All right, you gotta turn your camera on, sir. I'm sorry, I turned it off. All right, let's see where that attorney is. Let me pass this. I'm gonna get that attorney in here and we'll get you going soon. This is the city of Detroit versus Jamira Chantel Lopez. Case number SP 11722-081, SP 14259-471, SP 1512562, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1514564.
That is Tuesday, January 27th.
Burrell.
2026.
Mr. Burrell,
I apologize, Your Honor.
SP 1558813, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Jamira Lopez.
Tonna Jenkins, PA26663 on behalf of Ms. Lopez.
All right. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, Ms. Lopez, and good morning, Ms. Jenkins. The date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
Thank you, Your Honor. We'd waive a formal reading, stand mute for purposes of arraignment, ask that any bench warrants be recalled, set aside.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I do see Ms. Lopez owes she owes a number of civil infractions, 2 of which, yeah. I don't know if we're about to get shut down or not. Sounds like fire alarm, doesn't it? Yeah, 2 of which are a no insurance proof 288, no insurance proof 336. You owe a lot of other civil infractions, but those 2, if you pay them, you get clearances here at the 36th District Court, potentially setting yourself up to get a valid driver's license. I say potentially because I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions, but it will give you clearances here. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. She's gonna get you an updated offer or attempt to, and keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Judge, is there any way somebody could send me the offers for today? I put my email in the chat.
Yeah, we got to wait. Do you have Ms. Horn's text message?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Why
Okay.
don't you text her? Because I don't know if she, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
All right. I don't have the offers. Deanna Golson, is that Deanna Nicole Golson?
Yes.
All right, you got to turn your camera on, ma'am. You're here for what, ma'am?
I had court like 2 weeks ago. You told me to come back. It's for a traffic ticket.
Take the bonnet off your head, please.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna put you back. I'm gonna put you in the waiting room. You get yourself together.
Alan Soroki is for Oliver.
You say who?
Alan Soroki is for Oliver.
Good morning, everyone. The alarm was a false alarm.
All right,
Please be aware, the alarm was a false alarm.
good. All right. A Zoom user,
I sent him a text.
you sent Alan Soroki a text. All right, we're reaching out to your attorney, Mr. Oliver. We found out who it is and we're getting them in here, okay?
Okay, thank you.
User, can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name? You have to start your camera. It's not an option.
Alarm. May I have your attention? May I have your attention, please? The alarm was a false alarm. May I have your attention? May I have your attention, please? The alarm was a false alarm. May I have your attention? May I have your attention, please? The alarm was a false alarm. May I have your attention? May I have your attention, please? The alarm was a false alarm. May I have your attention? May I have your attention, please? The alarm was a false alarm.
Hey, it's
May I have your attention? May I have your attention, please? The alarm was a false alarm. May I have your attention?
All right,
May I
Zoom
have your
user, I'm gonna
attention,
put you
please?
out if you don't
The
unmute
alarm
yourself and start
was
your
a false
camera.
Alarm. May I have your attention?
Good
May I
morning
have
to
your
you, ma'am.
attention, please?
Good
What is your
morning.
name?
Katrina Galmore.
No,
May I
not
have
you,
your attention?
Gallimore.
May I have your
sorry.
attention?
User.
I'm Danielle Powell, but I'm supposed to be Miss Sharp.
Oh, you
May I
gotta
have
go
your
to 434,
May
ma'am.
I have your attention, please?
360-434-0000.
The alarm is a false alarm.
I'm sorry. Once again, I can hear you.
May I have your
Hold on.
attention?
I don't know
May
how
I
many
have
times
your
I need to say
attention,
it.
please? This is security. The alarm was a false alarm. May I have your attention? May I have your attention, please?
Can I be
This is
medical host again?
The alarm was a false alarm.
Thank you.
All right, so Zoom user, you're at, the Zoom ID is 360-434-0000.
Thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, ma'am.
Thank
This
you.
is welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Clarita Denise Green, case number SP 182-90561. Appearance for the record, please.
Get off.
Ms. Harris? Ms. Harris, are you there? Ms. Harris, can you put your appearance on for Ms. Clarita Green?
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Ms. Green. Please state your name.
Clarita Green.
Okay, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Green, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Apparently, this is Ms. Green has her documentation. Review it for her, and if it's satisfactory, we'll get you out of here. If not, Ms. Harris will get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. We'll pass the matter. Zoom user. Zoom user, good morning. Sir, what is your name, please?
Devon Luty.
Devon Luty. All right, you're Mr. Ogletree's client. He's here. Good morning to you.
Yes. I'm sorry.
Sorry, good morning.
Good morning. How's it going? What is my
All right,
camera on?
just sit tight. Just sit tight. You can turn it off until we call your name, all right? Mr. Ogletree might bring you in a breakout room. If you see a join the room, just go ahead and join the room, all right?
Okay. All right.
Good morning to you.
You too.
Gregory, is that Georg? Can you unmute yourself, please?
Yeah.
Good morning to you. I'm not you, Mr. Oliver. I got another one. Georg. Good morning to you, man. What is your name, please?
Good morning. I'm sorry. It's Georgetta.
All right, you must be on two different devices or something, or you must be.
Yeah, I'm about to close it. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes. Georgetta, what's your last name, ma'am?
Grant.
Say that again.
Grant.
Grant. All right, good morning to you. Who's that?
Okay, all right. Bye-bye. Talk to you soon.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leonard. Mr. Leonard, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Leonard?
Yes, because I don't know about the trespassing. That's the only thing. I would have pleaded to
That's
the
all right.
open alcohol. I know about the open alcohol.
No word, no, you don't. Hey, listen, Mr. Leonard, don't talk. You just might walk, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, well, pre-trial, 2/10/2026 at 8:30. I need a good phone number from you.
It's 313-810-5474.
All right, I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date on February the 10th at 8:30, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay, and Your Honor, can I say one more thing? I'm sorry, I know you don't want me to speak, but I got another court that's coming up at 9:30. Is there any way that I can reschedule the other ones that I got at 9:30 for you?
That's a no, not through me, because you need to get down here.
Yeah, I'm trying to get down there. I'm waiting on my lawyer to call me back because she was trying to see if I had to come. That's what I'm saying, because I'm not driving. So she was trying to see.
I can't do anything about that. I can't, that's on the other judge.
Okay, so if I be a little late, is that a problem?
Call the clerk. Call the clerk over there. You want their number? Call it. Let's see.
I think I get.
And let the clerk know that you're running late. That's how you do that.
Okay, I think I got the clerk number. Is it this
Let me see. Hold on.
313-965?
That sounds right.
2612.
Let me see. Let's see. That would be. That would be Judge Taylor.
That's who I'm about to go. That's who I gotta go see.
Judge Taylor's courtroom number, you ready?
No, she wants a phone number. He wants the phone number to make sure he's got the right number.
Okay, it's 965-2406.
1 second.
2406.
965.
2406.
2406. Okay, thank you.
No, that's how you do that.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you be safe. Best of luck to you on that other case. We'll see you back on February the 10th. All right.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, you're welcome. Is Elizabeth Odewale?
Odewale, yes, I'm here.
Odewale, say that again.
Elizabeth Odewale.
Odewale. Good morning to you, ma'am. This is the city of Detroit versus Elizabeth Odewale. Case number SP 1811618. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Roman Fitzai on behalf of Miss Odewale.
Okay, good morning to you. That worked out for you, didn't
it? Yeah, we got it right.
All right, P number, please.
47879.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. This is really a document thing.
Yeah, and we would request to speak with the city attorney, Judge, if they're available. We do have
Does she have
documentation.
valid insurance? Does she have
Yes.
valid insurance and registration?
Yes, she does.
As officer of the court, you've seen those documents and their documents are current now?
Yes, I have. They are current.
I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you both, all right?
Nothing further. Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
All right, Mr. Odom. Huh? You gave it to me? Oh, I don't see it.
You don't see it? Okay.
All right, that's all right. Odom Wally. You're free to leave, man. Best of luck to you, okay? Where did you see this? I don't know. All right, let's go down to Ya Langston.
Yes, sir.
Did I pronounce it correctly?
No.
Give
It's
it to me.
yeah. It's yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I should have known that, right?
It's okay. I'm used to it.
This is the city of Detroit versus Langston, case number SP1826311, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Langston.
Yeah, Monet Langston.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is
Good
the date set for a pre-trial. Ms. Langston, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with them. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yes, sir.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter. All right. Let's go
Your
back
Honor.
on the record. Hold on.
Your Honor, what time do you, excuse me, what time do you call no officer? This is Attorney Taylor.
3-minute grace period, Mr. Attorney Taylor, at 9:30.
9:30, okay, thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
She was able to present valid documentation.
All right, Ms. Green, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. There's nothing further, ma'am. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too, thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, Mr. Guerin's, the 30 minutes is up at 9 o'clock on him.
State of Michigan versus Michael Guerin, case number SX4640841. Appearance for the record, please.
Seymour Schwartz, Your Honor, P29789, appearing on behalf of Mr. Guerin, who has authorized me to appear on his behalf.
And you've been retained and you have full authority to enter any agreement on this behalf, correct, Counselor?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna waive your client's presence. Is there a Trooper Karim? Trooper Karim. Hearing no response, and I don't even think we've put anybody in the breakout room right now. Go ahead, Counselor.
Move for a dismissal, Your Honor.
Case dismissed, no officer. There's nothing further. Be safe.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thanks for your help today.
You're well. Have a great day.
Have a good day.
As well. I've got it.
Thank you.
Diamond Lemons? Or
Yes.
is it Lemons?
No, it's Lemons.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. City of Detroit versus Diamond Lemons, Case number SP 127-35431, SP 128-12771, SP 136-2273, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Diamond Lemons.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Lemons.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Lemons. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
We'll recall any and all warrants. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lemons, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Let's see. Join the room. You want to run her license, please? Thank you. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. All right. On the Samsung, good morning to you. Samsung, I just let you in the room. Press unmute yourself and start your counter and state your name, please. Yeah.
Vincent Gorey.
Say that again, sir.
Vincent Gorey.
Vincent Gorey. Good morning to you, Mr. Gorey.
Good morning.
We have two people out there.
Say that
We
again.
have 8 people out there. Aaron Lewis and
Two people. Aaron Lewis.
and I can't pronounce his name.
Can you give them a vice or rights? Aaron Lewis is arraignment on the bench for.
Yeah, 8:30. I can't pronounce his name. Ortiz. With the van.
Advice or rights, please. Both of them.
Now the center, Jose? Yeah.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lopez. Ms. Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
They speak in Spanish.
Thank you, Judge. We're asking for a pretrial date.
The pretrial date will be February the 10th, 2026 at 8:30. February the 10th, 2026 at 8:30. If it's nothing further, Ms. Lopez, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, you too.
Thank you. Is Carmita Gary here?
Yes,
Good morning to you, ma'am.
good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Carmita Lanice Gary. Wait a minute. Okay. I don't see her on the docket. You see her on the docket, Ms. Marks? Yeah, I'll see. Trial. Okay, so your matter, I'm gonna give the officers a little bit more, half-hour grace period. It's not set to start until, oh, Davis is here. Is Officer Davis here? I think Officer Davis is here. All right, City of no, that's R. Davis. I have an M. Davis. Is Officer Roderick Davis here? All right, let me give the officer a few more minutes, Miss Gary. We'll call your case in a minute, all right?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Is Gallon here?
Yes.
Good morning to you. This is hold on.
Morning.
This is the city of Detroit. Oh, strike that. This is the state of Michigan versus Llewellyn Ramon Gallon, case number SX462-40331. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. May it please the court, Tana Jenkins, P82663 on behalf of Mr. Gallon. Mr. Gallon, will you please state your full name for the record?
Llewellyn Ramon.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is date set for a formal hearing. Is there a Shields here, an Officer Shields, Trooper Shields? Hearing no response and not having seen that trooper join the room. Go ahead, Counsel.
Your Honor, we respectfully motion for dismissal.
Case dismissed. Mr. Gallon, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. O'Keefe.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. Let's see. Can we get an interpreter, Miss Mathis? Spanish for Lagos Calendar. Good morning.
All these are in Spanish.
They are?
There's no regular. Okay, we got plenty. If you come around here at the end of the bench, once you step up, there's some stacks of vice rice right there. Okay, underneath the shelf. You see it? Just grab it back.
I see what's going on.
Is that a vice rice?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Shane O'Keefe. Case number SP145-86851, SP183-1628, counts 1 and counts 2, SP183-16341. Appearance for the record, please.
Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. O'Keefe. Mr. O'Keefe, will you please state your full name for the record? Mr. O'Keefe, will you please state your full name for the record?
Shane Elliott O'Keefe.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. There is a case and warrant status. Miss Jenkins, that's an older, unregistered, untitled for purposes of arraignment on that case.
Stand mute, ask that any warrants be set aside, recalled.
Well, in or not guilty plea on his behalf, we'll give him a $0 bond and we'll recall the warrant. Mr. O'Keefe, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. We'll pass.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Langston. Ms. Langston, I've given you an opportunity. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the failure to stop matter and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Is that what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
I'm going to find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic. It's going to be $175. When can you pay it, ma'am?
By Friday. If not before, I get paid in the morning, but it doesn't always hit when it's supposed to.
All right. All right. I'll give you until Friday to pay it. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
It's called who?
DivDad, DIVDAT. They're in the Myers, CPSs, and things like that. And if you pay it those ways, there's other ways to pay it, but it'll go through immediately those ways. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Best of luck to you. Happy New Year to you, and have a great day.
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you, Ms. Horn. Good morning to you. All right, let's call it. This is the city of Detroit versus Carmita, Lanice, Gary. Case numbers. SP 179 2641 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 182 7318 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 178 1082 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gary.
Carmita Lanice Gary.
Okay, good morning to you, Ms. Gary. Day is date and time set for a trial. Officer R. Davis, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Morning, Your Honor. Police Officer Roderick Davis, badge number 3897 for Detroit Police Department.
You need to turn your camera on. Good morning to you. That's so Miss Gary can face her accuser. All right. Good morning to you, Officer Davis. Day is date and time set for a trial. Mr. Berry, get Miss Gary an updated offer. Miss Gary, Mr. Berry's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. And it's for some reason, 2 other cases didn't make the docket, Mr. Berry. They were supposed to. They were a failure to stop and no insurance proof. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Join the room when you see the prompt, Ms. Gary.
Okay.
All right, we'll pass the matter. And then I guess with Officer Davis, if they need to, the city needs to speak with you, she'll bring you in one, okay? All right, let's pass the matter. Is Soroki around?
No, I haven't heard from him.
Your Honor, good morning.
Good morning, Detective Law. Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful, Your Honor. I have another courtroom I got to check into, which is Ramsey Heath, Judge Ramsey Heath.
Okay. That Mr. Green, I haven't seen Terrence Green yet, so go ahead and come on back.
Yes, Your Honor. Let me just check in her room, then I'll come back over here.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, I'm waiting on an attorney now, so bear with me. Aaron Lewis, good morning to you. Mr. Patel, who are you looking for?
I have Kamani Harris, or sorry, Kamani Lewis.
Kamani Lewis, all right.
He is in the room.
He is in the room?
He is.
Okay. Good morning to you, Mr. Lewis.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Kamani Deshaun Lewis. Case number SP 177-86061. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Jayesh Patel, P number 65385 for Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, would you please state your name for the record?
Kamani Deshaun Lewis.
Mr. Lewis, tell me some good news. How are things going?
So I did finally just get a job.
Great. Congratulations.
I'm back staying with my mother, and I know they asked for vehicle documentation and report. When I did the report and search on my vehicle background history, there was no tickets or anything that I had on my record or driver's license case.
You're going into the ticket itself. I wasn't really concerned about that. Mr. Patel is going to handle that. I was more concerned about how you've been progressing since the last time we came, as far as your life and living situation and all that's going. So I'm happy to hear you got a job. Congratulations on that. And Mr. Patel is going to talk to me about what he wants, what you want to do with this case. Mr. Patel, go ahead.
Your Honor, yes. P number 65385 is the P number. Mr. Lewis has been working diligently to complete his action plan. We ask that the court grant more time for him to complete that action plan and adjourn his matters to March 27th.
March 27th.
I think I've completed the housing. Most of all the other stuff is gone. I have everything else. It's just the housing call. My mother doesn't know. My mother doesn't know how to write and send the emails, but I have it already prepared for them.
Yeah, Mr. Lewis, kind of just so I can give you like a quick, our court processes work in parallel. So once we get the final things from you, we're able to present that to a different judge. But this is the judge that we asked for more time so we can participate in that program.
Or could I do something else? Because when I first talked to the judge, housing, I'm back with my mother, and then other stuff, I'm just confused because the finding a cheap apartment is really not the most easiest task for you to put it on to me as a young adult that didn't have a job. I can't find no house. I can't put myself in the house, and as a young man with no job.
Well, listen, let me say this.
Now that I have a job.
Let me say this, Mr. Lewis. What I think you'd understand is that so this case really now is just open so that you can still participate in the street court program, and that there's a complete action plan. Job being one of them, housing being another, but there's also some other things that the street court is trying to accomplish so that you can you're sustaining yourself. So this case should potentially ultimately be dismissed once you complete all of the stuff, and you'll just go to Judge Williams, and I'm sure that he's probably going to grant you a dismissal on an unregistered untitled if you have completed the action plan and completed the program. So why don't you we'll just leave this case open here, and then we'll have you back. And I'm sure by the time, it might not even take you till March to do it, but by the time the program is complete, we're just giving that March 27th date. That's the date you want it, right, Mr. Patel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Just giving that March
Also got a-
27th as a control date, okay?
Judge, I also got a question. So I got my healthcare card. I can send the picture of the public like abilities and stuff. It's just how am I going to send the other two pieces of information that I need left?
What you're gonna do is you're gonna communicate with Mr. Patel like that, and we're gonna leave it up to Mr. Patel to make sure that he can tell
I
you
was
how
gonna
to.
ask if we can go to a breakout room or something so we can talk and I can tell him.
Yeah, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with them, okay?
Okay.
Your Honor.
Join. The next court date is March 27th at 8:30. And then you had some other people, just text, you can just send those names in the chat and let me know what's supposed to go on with those, all right?
Okay, I'll email you after. Okay, thank you.
All right, that's officers, Windows officers now. Ms. Lemon's license is valid.
Thank you, Your Honor. We are ready.
Now let's go back on the record with Ms. Lemons. Ms. Lemons, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, there's a recommendation she could enter a plea to an amended count of improper plates with the remaining matters dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room. Did she not?
She did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention way back to June the 13th, 2022 at around 4:36 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Grand River and Bird. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a 2015 Chrysler?
Yes.
Was that your vehicle, ma'am?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid insurance?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
Because I didn't have insurance at the time.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty as to the amended count of improper plate. It'll be a $240 fine. I'll dismiss it, the misdemeanor upon payment. And with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters now.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
$240, ma'am. When can you pay it?
I can pay it Thursday morning.
All right. Come back on, if you pay it at the kiosk, you want to come back Thursday morning to get this, it will be dismissed on, well, you're Thursday, okay, 29th. You want to come back on the 29th?
Yeah, I can.
Come back on the 29th at 8:25, and I will dismiss the case if it's paid. If there's nothing further, Ms. Lemons, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. I'm sorry, Ms. Smith.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Who has Mr. Soroki? Good morning to
Yes.
you.
Good morning, Your
I'm
Honor.
with Gregory Oliver.
Okay. I thought it might be Zarrett Linton, but he's a capias. But Mr. Gregory Oliver?
Yes.
Okay.
Join the room and get acquainted and let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you.
Johnny London, who's representing Johnny London? Mr. London, did you have an attorney?
Not that I know of, sir. I haven't talked to anyone.
It's the City of Detroit versus Johnny Amir London, case number SP184-77881, U66296823. Appearance for the record, please.
Lana Jenkins, P8236. On behalf of Mr. London, your name for the record?
Johnny A. London.
Johnny London.
Amir.
Yeah, today
Amir.
is the day. To you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial. He also has a case on the docket. Well, it's not on the docket, but it's a defective brake light ticket that we can also take care of if Mr. London does, if he wants to take care of that today as well.
He's actually set for pre-trial.
He's not set for trial?
He's set for pre-trial.
Oh. Sorry, so today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. London, I'm gonna let you speak with Ms. Jenkins in the breakout room. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You join the room, you let us know what you wanna do when you come out, please. We'll pass the matter.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Ms. Harris, do you have anyone?
I do not.
Good morning, Senior Interpreter
Diaz.
Diaz, yes. Miss, you ready?
I think
How
we
are
have.
you, Your Honor? The person is outside, right?
No, let's do Mr. Lagos right now.
We have two.
You have two, maybe three.
Okay.
All right.
You want me to go online?
No, you want to do it right here.
It's your call. Your
You'll
Honor.
do this one. We can do this one right here. You want me to give you some time to unwind? Are you ready to go now?
I'm ready.
All right, Mr. Diaz, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record,
My
please?
name is Lermit Diaz, Lermit Diaz. I'm here to interpret English to Spanish and Spanish to English.
And can you, do you swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Gerson Lagos Calindras, case number U7-223-6525.
Esta es la ciudad de Detroit, la fiscalía de Detroit en contra del señor Gerson Lagos Colindres. El caso que a usted se le ha traído aquí es el número que le ha dicho el juez en este momento.
Yes.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
¿Puede decir su nombre para que queden actas, por favor?
Gerson Joel Lagos Colindres.
Gerson Lagos Colindres. ¿Y el nombre, me dijo el segundo nombre?
Joel Lagos Colindres.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to pay $240. I see you paid.
Hoy es el día donde estamos haciendo una revisión de su caso. Usted tenía que haber pagado $240 y vemos que lo ha pagado.
Sí, lo pagué.
Yes, I paid.
You were also ordered to take a misdemeanor morality class and get testing. I do not have those documents in the file.
Y usted tenía también que hacerse unas pruebas y nosotros vimos por un delito menor que ha cometido. Pero hemos visto que esas pruebas no se han hecho o por lo menos no están en actas.
Sí me la hice. Aquí ando el examen, si lo puedo mostrar.
Yes, I did them. I have the test here, if I can show it to you.
I need them to be in the file, but let's see what you have.
Necesito que eso esté en el archivo. ¿Puede mostrarme qué es lo que tiene?
Tengo el examen que pidió que me hiciera.
Okay, that's the testing.
Esa es la prueba, sí.
Sí.
And then let me see the misdemeanor morality.
Y el de la moralidad,
La clase también la hice. La hice el 24, el sábado.
I did the class. I did it on the 24th.
Okay, where I need proof.
Necesito una prueba.
La ando en el teléfono, no, me mandaron como la prueba, pues, me la mandaron, pero la tengo en mi teléfono.
They send me the test, the test that I did, but I have it on my phone.
All right. Who did you go through? Did you go through the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
¿Y usted a dónde fue? Usted fue al sureste, a la comunidad del sureste de Detroit. Southwest Community Center. Detroit Community Center.
A mí me pidieron que le hiciera vía Zoom, también me mandaron por el correo, me mandaron para hacerlo por vía Zoom.
I did it via Zoom. They send me everything in the mail.
Okay, I need you to get those documents down here so we can close this matter out.
Yo necesito que usted me envíe esos documentos para nosotros poder cerrar este asunto.
Ok, y ¿cómo puedo hacer para enviárselo?
How can I do that to send it to you?
Well, I can put my email address in the chat. You can send it to me that way.
Y yo lo puedo poner en este momento en el chat de este Zoom y usted lo puede ver en este momento y así tendrá mi correo.
Sorry, repita, por favor, no escuché bien.
Repeat, please. I can hear. I don't know if he didn't hear me. If you allow me to repeat.
Yes.
Que usted él va a poner el correo en el chat de este Zoom para que usted lo vea ahí en el Zoom, en el chat.
Ajá.
Y cuál es el correo del juez.
Okay.
Now, okay. I'll put my email address in the chat. You can go somewhere and email me those documents, but we need those documents where we close this matter out, okay?
Okay, estoy poniendo mi correo ahí en el chat, pero yo necesito que usted me envíe estos documentos para yo poder cerrar esta causa.
Ok, yo le voy a mandar porque mire, yo hice la vía Zoom con el teléfono de una muchacha que me ayudó, pero ella me mandó ¿cómo le dijera? La certificación de que sí, ya he hecho las clases y aquí ando en mi correo ando la foto que ella me mandó por WhatsApp.
I got in my phone the certification because I did it with my friend's phone, and I got certification here on my phone.
All right, if you want to bring it down here, we could probably print it out for you, but I need to have it in your file, okay? I'll put my email address in the chat, and you're going to have to figure out how to get it down here to me.
Señor, usted tiene que mandarlo por correo, el correo que le están dando, en que se le está poniendo vía chat, o usted los tiene que traer aquí directamente al tribunal. Tiene que hacer una de las dos cosas, pero tenemos que hacerlo para cerrar esta causa.
Ok, entonces, yo puedo llevar la prueba de que sí la hice la clase.
Then I can bring the proof here that I did the classes.
Absolutely, bring the proof and the testing. We'll make copies of it and put it in your file, and we can close it out.
Sí, por favor, hágalo entonces, venga, traiga las pruebas y nosotros lo podemos poner en el archivo de que usted tiene la prueba que hizo y el certificado de las clases y podemos cerrar este asunto.
Ok, ¿dónde tengo que llevar la prueba?
Where do I have to bring them?
421 Madison Street, 36th District Court, courtroom 535.
421 calle Madison Street. Ahí está el tribunal 36.
421.
421 Madison.
Madison.
Calle Street. Sí.
One moment. Tiene lápiz o en su teléfono, por favor.
El juzgado es el 535.
Repítame, por favor, que lo voy a anotar ahorita.
Repeat, please. So I'm going to take a note. 421 Madison. 421 Madison Street. Madison, Madison Street.
Ajá.
El tribunal 36 District Court se llama 36 District Court. Ese es el tribunal. En el piso 5, juzgado 535 del juez Sean Kennedy.
Ok.
Listo.
Ok.
All set?
All right. When are you going to bring it down?
¿Cuándo lo va a traer, señor?
Hoy se lo voy a llevar.
Hoy, today.
All right,
Today,
very well, thank you.
Ok, muy bien, señor.
Ok.
All right, give me 1 second, Mr. Diaz. All right, Adam Ledesma.
Your Honor, there's somebody outside.
Go ahead and find out. Okay. Give him an advice or rights, please.
He said he don't want to tell it out loud. He couldn't understand it.
Okay, speak to him. Adam Ledesma, are you there? Is Adam Ledesma, he's gone? Okay, Mariah Lenore?
Yes, Mariah Lenore.
Good morning to you, ma'am. This is the city of Detroit versus Mariah Lenore, case number SP 1830623, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Mariah Lenore.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lenore, please state your name again for the record.
Mariah Lenore.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a show cause, Ms. Harris, for purposes of arraignment.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lenore, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Corporal Spidell, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I was just I have to assign it to another court. I was wondering if I could check back in once I'm done.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Soroki, are we ready on Oliver?
No, Your Honor. I'm waiting to find out what his tickets are and get an offer. See if I can get the matter resolved. I don't know what he's charged with.
All right. All right, let's pass that. Mr. Taylor, who are you here on?
Your Honor, please, if you can email me a copy of the docket, then I would have his tickets, the list of his tickets.
He has, all right, I'll see if Mr. Oh, he has a number of them. All right, can you email him? Thank you. You can just, good morning to you, sir. What is your name?
Jesus Valencia.
Yeah, do you have a case number?
Yes, they give me.
Let's see what he has.
May I give it to you?
You can give it to Madam Officer. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right.
Madam Court Reporter,
Yes,
you never sent me your email.
yes, I couldn't find your name. Okay, I see it now. Courtroom clerk. Is it Jamira Mathis? I didn't see that at first.
Just sent
To
it to me
send you a
about,
check.
I'm about to send out a docket, so I can send you a
I'll send you an email now.
It's Valencia.
ticket in Southwest.
I don't see him on the dock, but yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. You might want to sign in on Zoom now. I'll get them an attorney, and then you sign in on Zoom. Did he hang up the Zoom? Sign in on Zoom, both of you, and then we'll go. Do you have proof of insurance? Let's make that copy now.
Thank you.
You can put that in this phone. All right. All right, I'm just waiting now. Oh, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gary. Ms. Gary, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to 1 to 5 miles over for the disregarding a traffic device sign, and to plead to improper plates as charged. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes,
Can you raise your right hand, please?
yes,
You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
yes,
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
yes,
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
yes,
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
yes,
You understood those rights?
yes,
Any questions about those rights?
no,
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
yes,
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
no,
Let me draw your attention back to November the 9th, 2025 at around 11:13 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Keeler and Press. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
yes,
Were you operating this 2008 Dodge?
yes.
Was there something wrong with the plates on the Dodge on that day?
I was gonna borrow the car and I was taking it back to the guy that I had got it from because I didn't want it.
And you don't know whether there was something wrong with the plates then, huh?
No, I didn't know that I didn't know they was expired.
All right. What about, all right, we're gonna take it to allowing then. You said improper plate, right? What
Yeah.
about the driver's license? Did you have a driver's license at the time you were driving that car?
I didn't know that I was suspended from not paying that seatbelt ticket, so I didn't know I was suspended.
And you're not challenging the fact that you were suspended at that time, are you?
No.
All right, find her guilty as to the amended count of allowing. And this is the same effect as an improper plate. It does not abstract, therefore it doesn't carry any points. And I will dismiss that upon payment.
Okay.
And then stipulate to the face of the ticket back of factual basis for the blocking traffic, Mr. Berry, for the responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause to dismiss the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic. And I'm dismissing the other matters. I'm only gonna fine you the $240. I'm not gonna fine you for the blocking traffic. When can you pay it?
On the 6th.
All right, come back on February the 6th and pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, Mr. Gary. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Happy New Year to you. Best of luck to you, and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
I got one question. How do I go about getting my license back?
Well, that one insurance ticket is gonna be dismissed. So I'm assuming, I don't know, but I'm assuming that insurance ticket was affecting your license.
Yes.
And since that's gonna be dismissed today, go to the Secretary of State after today and see if they give you a valid license. If they don't give you a valid license, then you ask them for a printout. And they should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license, okay?
Okay, and thank you so much. So all I owe is $240?
$240, come back on the 6th. We'll dismiss the case if it's paid, okay?
Okay, thank you. What
All
time?
right,
What time to come?
8:25. Best of luck to you, Ms. Gill.
Okay, thank you so much, Judge. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. City of Detroit versus Jose Alberto Valencia. He needs an interpreter, Mr. Berry. Case number SP1831404, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Gracias, en este caso. Your
Yes,
Honor,
are you?
Ms. Lormi Diaz, I'm going to be the interpreter for Mr. Valencia.
Yes. You want me to read it in the record again, Mr. Diaz?
No, Your Honor.
You got to interpret. This is the City of Detroit versus Jose Alberto Valencia. Case number SP1831404, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Esta es la ciudad de Detroit en contra del señor Valencia. El caso suyo es SP18030144.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Yo soy el abogado Berry Jr. Por el señor Valencia.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I do have valid insurance here. He also has a civil infraction, Mr. Berry. Give Mr. Valencia an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay. Hoy es el día y la fecha donde nosotros tenemos el asunto con el señor Valencia por no tener seguro y también tiene una infracción civil. Yo no sé si usted tiene ahorita alguna oferta o que le van a dar una oferta y si esa oferta está bien con lo que usted desea.
The civil infraction?
Infracción civil.
Disregard the traffic control device.
All right.
Usted no prestó atención a una señal de control, a un dispositivo de control.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, vayan a una sala, vamos a esta sala y tenemos que decir qué es lo que queremos cuando salgamos de ahí.
Let's pass the matter.
Judge and Gregory Oliver, I think we should just get a final pretrial date or a trial date and handle all these matters.
City of Detroit versus Gregory Oliver Jr. Case number SP13778931, SP1553815, counts 1 and counts 2, SP1600643. 1, SP1600653, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3, SP1611157, counts 1 and counts 2, SP161508, counts 1, 2, SP1626797, counts 1 and counts 2, SP1633877, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1640770, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1643013, counts 1 and 2. SB 1681665, counts 1 and 2. SB 1699675, counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan versus Gregory Oliver Jr., case number SX 414-74712. Appearance for the record, please.
There's two more, Your Honor. There's SP 137-78931.
I called that.
Oh, you did? Okay, thank you. All right, Alan Strokey, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Gregory Oliver Jr.
All right, good morning to you. For a pretrial, you have the attorney, you got acquainted with them. I'm going to set another pretrial date of February the 10th, 2026 at 8:30, Mr. Oliver, okay? If it's nothing further, best of luck to you and have a very good rest of your day.
Bill, it's February 10th, Your Honor?
February 10th at 8:30.
Yes, okay. I will submit a NOA form, appointment form on his behalf to the court and to Ms. Carter. Thank you.
Very well. All right, Mr. Oliver, best of luck to you.
Wait, can I get your number too, Mr. Oliver?
I'll get in touch with you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Valencia didn't go to the breakout room. Join the room, Mr. Valencia. All right. This Ms. Jenkins, let's go back on the record with Mr. O'Keefe. Mr. O'Keefe, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. This is a pleading to the 1 to 5. Is this where's Ms. Jenkins?
I'm here, Judge.
Is this pleading to the 1 to 5?
Oh, yes. Pleading 1 to 5 on failure to yield, dismiss the balance, including the warranted ticket ending in 6851.
Mr. O'Keefe, where are you?
I'm right here.
All right, so you don't yield to the emergency vehicle, sir?
There was a large building on the corner. I couldn't see around it. I was going through a yellow light and I didn't see the emergency vehicle until I was in the intersection.
Okay, so now you're going through a yellow light. You're not supposed to go through a yellow light.
That's correct.
So you're not saying that you had a reason for not yielding to the emergency vehicle, right? And that's because you committed another civil infraction, right?
He's accepting responsibility, Your Honor.
I didn't ask him that. I'm just asking him why he didn't do what he was supposed to do. That's just a straight 1 to 5.
Yes.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the count of 1 to 5 is no limited access, right?
Correct.
All right, $125. When can you pay it, sir?
Today.
All right. Make sure it gets in here. I'll give you till tomorrow to make sure it gets in here. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. And okay, stop running the amber and red lights, sir.
Yes,
all
sir.
Right.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Johnny London. Mr. London, you want me? Oh my goodness, what the heck? All right, hold on, Mr. O'Keefe. Ms. Burrell?
Yes, Your Honor. The Zoom went down for some reason. So I zoomed back in on my phone.
And who was the last person you had?
I have Gregory Oliver. No, I'm sorry. Shani Elliott O'Keefe.
Okay, all right, so did you get the O'Keefe and the fine and stuff?
I didn't get the fine, Your Honor. It froze first. I thought everybody was frozen.
Okay, where did we leave off with O'Keefe?
There's something with the internet this morning. I was
Where
on
did
with
we-
IT, but they couldn't get
Where did we leave?
the.
Where did we leave off with O'Keefe?
Okay, Your Honor, I have to go back and listen to the tape to find out exactly where we left off.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. O'Keefe. Mr. O'Keefe, you want to take the deal or limited access 1 to 5?
Yes.
Will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf, Ms. Jenkins?
Yes.
And will you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes.
I'm going to find your client responsible as to the amended count of 1 to 5 for the failure to yield emergency vehicle, $125, and I'll give you until January 28th to pay. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. O'Keefe. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you and have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, you're welcome.
Excuse me, Judge
Gallimore?
Perkins, do I have to stay?
No, you talked to Mr. Patel, correct?
Yes, he went
And
to
you
his other meeting.
You understand everything that's going on now, right?
Yeah, only thing I got to finish just 2 more things, and then
All right.
we should be
So
done.
all right, good. Finish them up, sir. Continue to do well, and best of luck to you. I'll see you back soon, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Have a good one.
All right, you as well. This is the city of Detroit versus Katrina Gallimore. Case number SP 1796003, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Powder Jenkins on behalf of Ms. Gallimore. Ms. Gallimore, please state your full name for the record.
Katrina LaShonda Gallimore.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Gallimore, Miss Jenkins is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Do we do London?
No, Judge. He's ready, though. I mean, I spoke with him, but.
Back on the record. What happened to London Smile? Did that just okay. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Johnny London. Mr. London, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. My understanding, you want a bench trial date?
Yes, sir.
All right, you want to, I'm going to appoint you an attorney for this, all right?
Judge.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I don't. Never
Go
mind.
ahead.
Well, this officer has a history of not appearing.
All right, if he doesn't want one, we'll give
Well,
him, we'll set a trial date.
We could, just to be safe. Because now that I said that, I probably jinxed. Never mind. We could appoint someone just to be safe.
All right. Do you want an appointed attorney or not, Mr. London?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm gonna appoint you an attorney. And we're gonna set a pretrial date of February the 10th, 2026 at 8:30. I need a good phone number from you.
Can you say that date one more time, please, sir?
Say something.
You have to get out the bed, sit up.
Oh, I'm
Mr.
not in the bed.
Gorey. Mr. Gorey. All right, yeah,
I'm not in
don't
the bed.
hesitate. No, he's not talking, she's not talking to you, Mr. London. All right, say what you want to say, Mr. London.
Can you please repeat that date, sir, so I can write it
Oh,
down?
February 10th, 2026 at 8:30. I
February
need a good phone,
10th.
10th at 8:30. I need a good phone number from you, please.
734 961 2044.
All right, I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we're gonna get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you, sir. I'll see you back on the 10th of February at 8:30, God willing.
Yes, sir.
All right. Go ahead,
Thank
Ms.
you, Judge.
Jenkins, Ms. Gallimore.
I can leave.
Thank you, Judge.
Can, you're welcome. Detective, good morning to you.
Morning, Honor.
All right, all right, all right. Hold on, let me see who these are.
Just came back
On
in.
the 734-760-0870. Good morning to you. Can you state your
Good
name,
morning,
please?
sir. David Lee.
David Lee. Okay, David Lee. All right, if you're here for green, good morning to you, Mr. Lee.
Yes.
If you're here for green, he didn't appear, so Terrence Green, you're free to leave. If Terrence Green, no Terrence Green, it's past 10:15. You're free to leave. Be safe out there.
Hello? You say
All right,
Terrence Green?
Pardon me?
You said Terrence Green. He's not here.
No, he's not.
Okay, so I'm free to go.
You're free to go.
Thank God. I appreciate it. You and staff have one day.
Thank you. All right, listen, if there's anybody on green, Spidell, Raleigh are free to leave. No Terrence Green. Okay, is Aaron Lewis here? Okay, Aaron Lewis, I'm gonna get you out of here next. All right, well, we're just waiting on a lawyer now. Take your hat off, Mr. Lewis. Good morning to you. You're in the hallway, right? He's in the hallway, right? All right, we'll get him out of here. All right. No, not yet. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lenore. Ms. Lenore, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Lenore is going to plead guilty to be in the park after hours with the open intox case being dismissed, and it would be taken under a 3-month delayed sentence.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Lenore?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to November the 17th, 2025, at around 11:11 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Jefferson and Rademacher. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
You were in that area around that date and that time, correct?
Yes.
What's over there?
A park.
All right, and all right, you were in that park at that time, right?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to find you guilty. It's a strict liability offense. If you're in the park after 10 p.m., which time the park closed, then it's the guilty plea. Stipulate the probable cause dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to give you until April the 27th to pay it off. They wanted a 3-month delay. They'll give you 3 months to pay it off. $240 will be the fine. Come back April the 27th, and if you don't come back, as long as it's paid and you don't get any other trouble like this, we'll dismiss the case. Okay, Miss Lenore?
Yes.
All right, if you don't have any further questions, Happy New Year to you, ma'am. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Same to you. Thank you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Aaron Lewis. Case number is SP 179-35703, SP 181-09181. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
He's got to unmute himself. I'll send him the prompt. Aaron Lewis, unmute yourself, please. Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please. What happened to him? He's unmuted. Yeah.
Aaron Lewis.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
All right, we'll recall the warrant. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, and we'll give your client a $0 bond. What I will do is I will give, he has an improper display of plate as well. Ms. Harris, go and speak to Mr. Lewis in the breakout room. Mr. Lewis, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, hit join. Hit join. He hit it. We'll pass the matter. He never did join. He never did join the room.
Yes, we're all set.
He spoke to Mr. Berry?
Yes.
All right, where's Mr. Berry?
I am here, Your Honor.
Let's step up. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Valencia. Mr. Valencia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Sir Valencia, nosotros tuvimos la oportunidad de hablar con usted y usted hablar con su abogado y queremos saber qué es lo que el abogado quiere hacer.
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the offer to enter into the plea of blocking traffic. And of course, the insurance matter will be dismissed.
Y el asunto con la certificado del seguro ya queda desestimado sobre ese.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Valencia? Blocking traffic, $175?
El tránsito por $175. Sí, señor. Yes, sir.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf, Mr. Berry.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
With those stipulations, I'm going to find your client guilty as to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, Mr. Valencia?
How much time do I have to pay?
How much time do you need? When can you pay?
Next week. Next week.
Put a date on it.
Pongan un día ya. No, aquí, véalo ahí y diga un día.
We are, today is 27.
So,
February 6th?
February 6th.
Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, Happy New Year to you. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Mr. Barry, let's see who's up next. Grant, Georgetta Grant.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Georgetta LaShawn Grant, case number SP128. Strike that, SP182-98691, SP182-98741. Appearance for the record, please. Can you run the license, please?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of the defendant, state your full name.
Georgetta LaShawn Grant.
Ms. Grant, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for show cause, Mr. Barry, for purposes of arraignment.
My client would stand mute, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. And Ms. Grant also has, I wouldn't have any issue with allowing her to be heard on this, limited access, I think a speeding ticket. Ms. Grant, Mr. Barry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? I'm going to put you in a breakout room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter.
Does the court run her license?
We're running the license now. You can give us a second before you go in there. I'll let you know.
Yes, Your Honor. I'll wait.
Very good. All right. Ludi Ogletree, is Ludi ready? Mr. Taylor, who do you have?
Your Honor, I have Lindsay, Wally Lindsay, and Percy Long. Both trial matters.
This is the city of Detroit versus Wiley Ramon Lindsay, case number SP181-31211. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Wiley R. Lindsay II.
Mr. Lindsay, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Yes, my name is Wally Ramsey II.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Is Officer Michael Ayala here? Officer Michael Ayala. I'm hearing no response. I don't see that officer on my list, nor do I see that officer in the breakout room. Go ahead, Counselor.
I move for dismissal, Your Honor.
Case dismissed, Mr. Lindsay. Best of luck to you. Happy New Year to you, and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too well.
Good, thank you. Percy Long.
And tell Valencia that he can disconnect. Oh, he disconnected.
He did. But what about the Lagos? Is he on his way? He's still online.
Lagos is still online?
Yes. I don't know if he's on his way down here or not. This is the city of Detroit versus Percy Long. Case number SP180-8993, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Edward Taylor, Your Honor, appearing on behalf of Percy Long. My P number is P57166.
And Mr. Long, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Percy Long.
All right, today is the date and time set for a formal hearing / trial. Is there Officer Povich? Officer Povich. Hearing no response, Mr.
Taylor, yeah, we move for dismissal, Your Honor.
Case dismissed, Mr. Long. Best of luck to you. Happy New Year to you. Have a very good
Thank
rest
you.
of your.
You as well.
Yep. Take care, Your Honor.
You as well.
Your Honor, you want me to talk to Mr. Lagos?
Yeah, let Mr. Lagos know. What is he gonna do?
Señor Lagos, buenos días nuevamente.
Dígame.
Veo que está conectado todavía. ¿Qué intenta hacer entonces? ¿Está viniendo para acá?
Es que no tengo mucho audio, no se escucha en mi teléfono, no sé qué será, que bien bajito se escucha.
I have problem with the audio, so I'm barely hearing here. ¿Usted va a venir, señor Lagos? ¿Está viniendo?
Yo voy a llegar, yo voy a ir allí donde me dijo él. Voy a llegar yo solo, estoy esperando que me diga si ya me puedo retirar para yo ir allí a la.
He's just waiting for us to let him know that he can be dismissed here, so he can come to the.
Oh, you've been able to come down. Go ahead.
Por favor, desconéctese y venga.
Ok, puedo.
Que traiga los documentos.
Ok, llevo los documentos. Una pregunta nomás. Bueno, como ella la muchacha que me ayudó, la muchacha que me ayudó, a ella le mandaron al correo de ella le mandaron la certificación. Yo tengo que llevarla como imprimida o solo como le mandaron a ella en el correo.
The things that I have it on my phone because they send it to me via email. So did I have to print them and bring them?
No, we can probably help them print it down here. Tell them to just come down here so we can get the matter.
Venga para acá que nosotros lo ayudamos a que aquí se imprima.
Ok, está bien.
Venga para acá, aquí vamos a imprimirla.
Muchas gracias. Yo ahí llego.
¿A qué hora llega?
Entre una media hora, porque me queda como media hora la distancia.
It's like 30 minutes away.
All right, we'll be here.
Okay, aquí estaremos.
Ok, muchas gracias.
You got 30 minutes?
Ya se puede retirar. 30 minutes.
All right, you can go wherever you want to go and come on back if you have to.
Do you have, what about Frank Anthony Gamboa?
Gamboa, I don't think Gamboa ever showed.
Yeah, sure.
I don't have Gamboa on my list. And I mark everybody that's coming in the order that they came in. I don't see Gamboa. Ogletree, you ready on Ludi? All right. You say.
I'll be in the hall.
All right. All right, I'm just waiting on an attorney. Mr. Barry, what's going on with Grant?
Oh, waiting on license verification, Your Honor.
On Grant?
Yes.
Oh, the license is valid.
Then, thank you, Your Honor. We'll be right back.
Very well.
Anybody called it here?
Corey Love is up next. Go back on the record with Ms. Grant. Ms. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, the court has confirmed my client has a valid a license, and we seek dismissal.
What about the limited access ticket?
Oh, my. That too, Your Honor. That too, to be dismissed.
Is that what the city said?
Yes.
You got an early Christmas gift. Case dismissed, Ms. Grant. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right? Happy New Year.
Same to you.
City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Corey Dwayne Love. Case number SP 1832058, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Love.
Corey Love, you have to unmute yourself, sir. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. Free love.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause, purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, my client would stay on mute.
Enter a not guilty plea and give your client a $0 bond. I don't have any issue with setting the default aside if the city has no objection and let allow Mr. Love to be heard on the insufficient defective lights. Mr. Love, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. That's an off-docket matter of insufficient defective lights, Mr. Berry. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, Mr. Love. That's the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Galmore. Ms. Galmore, is my understanding you want an appointed attorney? I mean, is my understanding this trial?
Yes, sir. Yes.
All right, come back on February the 10th at 9 a.m., ma'am. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You as well. Be safe.
Thank
You too.
All right.
City of Detroit versus Darnisha Monique Long. Number SP 1498357, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 151-85381. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge Tana Jenkins on behalf of Ms. Long. Ms. Long, will you please state your full name for the record?
Darnisha Long.
Thank you.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Long. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I did have Officer Titus here, and I did have Corporal Croxton here. They're not here right now, Ms. Jenkins and Ms. Long, but I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Long, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. It's past the matter. All right, we're waiting on an attorney.
Okay, thank you.
David Lee.
David Lee speaking.
Okay, very well. All right, I see you on the docket. I just want to make sure you're on the docket. Corey G.
Yes, Corey Gibbs.
Corey Gibbs, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Corporal Spidell, Terrence Green never showed.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day.
You have a better one. Be safe.
Sir, I'm here for Green as well. Capius?
Yes, Capius. Good morning to you, Officer Raleigh. He
morning.
never showed.
All right.
Be safe.
Appreciate it.
Andel Lett.
Yeah, but- Oh, yeah. Scheduled to be unfortunate, so I'm doing that.
Who?
She was getting ready, so she had kept calling and trying to reach the center just as curious and nobody answered the doors.
They always there when I'm calling.
I know, but you can use.
Oh, they might be close. Well, that's they just in
They
the
scheduled
month.
to be in court tomorrow, so I told them to call them tomorrow.
All right. Are you ready on Ludi?
Yes.
I know you're ready, Ludi. I'm waiting on Mr. Ogletree.
So we should hear, I did call to ask them to talk about lunch.
You about to sweat us out of here, huh?
I'm afraid. You called too, right, officer? Yeah. I trust sometimes we can call them.
Good morning. They about to sweat me out of here.
That's a notch.
They freezing. There it is, right there. Something's out in Farmington. It's one of my boys. He brought me in, and it would happen the other day. They get too many people. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. I don't touch that.
Arguing and stuff. That was the first time that they kind of, but I've been doing about a month and a half now.
Okay.
Well, where you go?
Oh, no, I'm looking for somewhere.
I'll find out.
Okay.
I'll find out.
Yeah.
All right. All right, let's wait on Kid Horn. Where's Mrs. Horn? She's been in here. We need her. All right, we're just gonna wait on an attorney. I'm gonna take a few minutes recess. It's get what's that? Here's the list. Goree is next.
Well, if they need to talk to.
Yeah, Goree is next. Gray, Leonard, Lee, Gibbs. Goree. The officers are ones with the officer behind them. I'll be back in a minute. Is that somebody? You say what? You don't?
Gory is next.
Yeah, he's crammed in the middle of he's crammed in the middle of Goreen. So
This is Gory. Okay,
that's Goreen.
Okay.
And
That's Gory.
then Gray, Leonard, Lee, and Gibbs.
Okay.
I don't know
Right
who's.
here. Okay.
I don't know
I
who
got it.
Carl's iPhone is.
All right.
You got one anything? You want to juice or
Oh,
something?
iced tea.
Iced tea? You don't want iced tea? You're too cold for that. All right.
I left my tea. This is cute. What's cute? Oh, this Judge bought all of us those for Christmas. Even though it's for Christmas. That's cute, man. Yeah. I know I gotta rinse it out. My mom bought me a movie with time on. Oh, did she? Oh, that's sweet. That's cute too. I like that. How did that make you smile? That make you smile. It's yeah. Next time, right on. Share fears. I didn't know share fears. Did that. Why? Break down four. Nobody else leaving home. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay, that's so.
Hi, Madam Clerk, are we on a little recess?
If you want to take a defendant, if you need someone to talk to, you can go into a breakout room with, I think it's Vincent Gorey.
Okay, yeah, I'm waiting to hear back from the prosecutor on the one case, so I figured I would take somebody.
Did you reach out to her already?
Mm-hmm, yeah, but I know she's between lots of courtrooms today, so.
Okay, I didn't want to text her if, you already did. So I'm gonna put Vincent Gorey, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number What breakout room are you using, counselor?
I am in
I know you were in
5.
4, but okay, in 5, you got somebody, Darnisha Long in 5. Can we put him in 6?
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, Mr. Goree, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 6, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
I took the offer for 6, and the counselor is gonna come in and speak with you. Jerica Harris,
Yes, ma'am.
are you able to talk to someone else, or are you still working on Aaron Lewis?
I can work on someone else.
Okay, we got Stanley Gray. Stanley Gray, I'm gonna put you in breakout room. It's breakout room number 7. Okay for you, Attorney Harris?
That's fine. That's
Stanley,
fine.
Stanley Harris, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 7. Okay? Attorney Harris is gonna come in there and speak with you. Thank you, Ms. Harris. Attorney Harris. Stanley Gray, do you hear the court, please? Accept the offer to join breakout room 7. Stanley Gray, will you please unmute your device, please? Stanley Gray? Stanley Gray, do you hear the court? Oh, he will them. Okay, great. Elwood Berry, can you go in and talk with Corey, Leticia Leonard? Leticia
Yes,
Leonard,
ma'am.
we guys, please, so you can talk to an attorney. Leticia Leonard, unmute your device, please. Leticia.
Yes.
Thank you. Leticia, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 8. Elwood Berry is gonna come in there and speak with you.
Okay.
Leticia Leonard, breakout room number 9. Is it somebody like 8? Oh, Ogletree, number 9, Ogletree is in 8. All right, Elwood Berry, Leticia Leonard is in breakout room number 9. Wait.
On my way.
Yes, ma'am, Madam Clerk.
Okay, you finished talking with, you need anything for,
No, I got a prompt saying that I needed to return to the main session.
that's only because for some particular reason, Stanley Gray wasn't responding. But then he
okay.
popped in there afterwards. He didn't unmute his device. I kept reaching out to him, and then he popped in, and then, yeah.
Are you able to tell me if there was an attorney, a request for an attorney to be appointed?
For Stanley Gray, let me check. Let me check my email. Gray. No, there was nothing, never appointed. Oh, let me pull this, let me pull it in file too. Yeah, nothing was never appointed for Stanley Gray.
Okay, he didn't make a request at all. I'm sorry, I missed a part of it.
Let me double check for Vincent Gorey. He's scheduled for show call, so.
Oh,
me
no,
double
I
check.
was asking about Stanley Gray. You said no request was ever made?
All right, that's right. Okay, just 1 minute. Stanley Gray. I'm trying to see what. Let me check Stanley Gray. Let me double check that. Got a lot of tickets. East Street Court actually look like I got some street court indication in here for him. Okay, so I guess he would have his Patel.
Okay, well, I'll go and ask him if he spoke with Mr. Patel.
Okay, because I don't see it like the forms that I keep in there when the judge appoints it. So only thing I see is street court. Okay.
Okay, let me ask him.
What is street court? Street court. Yes. It's an organization. They kind of like help defendants who are displaced. Like so they're not working, they don't have a job, things like that. Oh. It's feeling a little bit better in here. Dang. Yes. Oh, thanks, George.
All right. Are we ready on anyone?
They still talking to people.
Still talk. Corey Love is here. Is Mr. Barry around?
We're ready on Mr. Lewis. I just didn't know if he was able to physically come into the courtroom or not.
He is.
I'm ready on Mr. Looney.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, the recommendation is to dismiss. However, he's still in the breakout room. He was unsure as to whether he could come in the physical courtroom or not. So we were waiting so that you didn't get feedback from his device.
All right. All right, you can tell him to come, you can tell him the case is dismissed and he can come in if he wants to, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's go with, you don't have any?
Could we have a license verification as to Ms. Leonard, Your Honor?
Ms. Leonard's license, please, Ms. Mathis. All right, let's go back on, let's call the city of Detroit versus, Davion Andre Ludi, case number SP 167-61642, SP 17550711, SP 1788159, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1045241, SP 1808081, SP 9614411, U6355661, counts, strike that, U635562122. Appearance for the record, please. How you doing, Mr. Lewis? Mr. Ogletree, you said you were ready.
Yes.
I guess he's not ready.
Yeah.
All right, let's pass it.
It's valid,
Mr. Barry Leonard is valid.
Yes, Your Honor. If we could recall the case.
All right, what about Goree? Have you talked to Goree, Ms. Harris? All right, let's call if you're ready to call Leonard.
Yes, Your Honor.
Talk to Goree.
Judge, it's right here, I already printed it.
Happened to somebody talking to Goree, Ms. Harris?
Goree is in the breakout, he should be in the breakout room. Jenkins is.
You printed it. All right, let's go. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Lolita Leonard. Case numbers SP 1746852, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1832093, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1832148, counts 1 and counts 2. And U5954821. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Leonard.
Latia Leonard.
Latia Leonard. Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I counted at 5 cases on the docket. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cases into the record, Mr. Barry.
I have 8 cases, I believe.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so let's see where we're off. SP 178 1, 4, 1, 2. Those 2. SP 178 1, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, the 5 on the docket, I see. Then there's a U ticket, disorderly conduct. And then there's 3 other: no insurance, misdemeanor, a driving while license ever acquired, and an unregistered untitled. All those misdemeanors as well.
Disorderly conduct, no insurance, no license, and last?
Unregistered untitled.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And you have the 5 that are on the docket.
Yes, Your Honor. I need to speak with my client.
All right, Ms. Leonard, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Hold on and wait on Mr. Barry until he gets into the room. And he's gonna take care of Love first, okay?
Okay.
All right, join the room, we'll pass the matter. All right. What happened to Corey Love, Mr. Barry?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
Let's pass Leonard. Let's go back on the record with Love. What's Mr. Love want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Love will avail himself of the offer of the people to enter the plea to open alcohol in the vehicle as a passenger. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Love?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Barry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Questions about those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
What kind of questions do you have about the rights? Are you just answering them yes,
No,
yes?
I'm just saying yes to. I'm just saying yes to what you're saying.
All
But
the questions.
yeah, I don't mean yes to that.
Do you have any questions about the rights, Mr. Love?
No, Your Honor.
And you know by taking the deal, you're going to give these rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 18th, 2025 at around 7:14 p.m. City of Detroit, area of Chalmers and Chelsea. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
And did you have some open and empty Miller High Life bottles in your truck, in your car at the time?
Yes, I did.
And the Miller High Life had some Miller High Life in them, did it? Did it not?
Yeah. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And that container was open, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver. Strike that. Open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger with stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Those are some expensive Miller High Lifes, aren't they, Mr. Love?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, they are.
$240 worth. How many Miller High Lifes can you get with that, Mr. Go ahead. When can you pay?
I can pay this Friday.
Oh, you got the money. All right. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. Or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. But all jokes aside, though, you're one step away from a drunk driving on that. You're driving without the headlights on. That tells me that those Miller High Lifes had an effect on you.
I understand, Your Honor.
That's why the law is the way it is, open alcohol in a motor vehicle, because most of the time you're not just coming from a cabaret and you brought the liquor that you got left over. Most of the time, and even if you are coming from the cabaret and you're still sipping on that liquor on the way home. All right. Best of luck to
Your Honor.
you, and pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. All right.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. You're free to leave. You want paperwork?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Ms. Mathis, Mr. Lewis. You're welcome. Thank you. You ready now, Mr. Ogletree?
Ready.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ludi. Mr. Ogletree, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Aaron Ogletree, about Mr. Ludi.
Yes.
All right. Mr. Ludi, state your name for the record, please. Mr. Ludi, state your name for the record, please.
Devon Andre Ludi.
Okay, good morning. Good morning to you. Do you know a Tierra Ludi?
Yes,
Who is that?
that's my cousin.
Yeah.
She needs to be in here today too.
Oh, what
For what?
for?
Ask him for
For what exactly?
Oh, because okay, you showed
Yeah, I
him.
think it-
You sh-
Is that her with you?
no, I'm the mom.
Oh, that's her registration.
No, I'm the mother.
You're Tierra's mother?
No, I'm Devon's mom. Tiara is my niece.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Tiara was driving the car too before.
Don't tell on Tierra.
Oh no. That don't have this don't have nothing to do with Tierra.
No.
She just said Tierra was driving the car.
No.
She wasn't with me that day.
No.
Let me good morning. Good morning to you. Is it Miss Ludi?
Yes, Miss Ludi.
Yes, that's me.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning to you too.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Ogletree, yeah, I'll give you an opportunity to work this out, Mr. Ogletree. What does Mr. Ludi want to do?
There's a resolution. And my understanding also that two officers didn't appear, Officer Hernandez and Linton.
Okay.
And then Officer Hardwood had an old ticket. He is one that dismissed. And then after that, there's a resolution for Officer Robinson's ticket. Tickets is going to be 1 count of failure to display, and then the violation of pedestrian right of way, that's going to be as charged. And then the other officer, the disregard red signal, that's going to be 1 to 5 limited access. And then Officer Ellis is going to be allowing a light driver to drive, and he's going to tender a plea of no contest due to lack of recollection.
Failure to display, allowing pedestrian violation of pedestrian roadway.
Yes, and then 1 to 5 limited access. So it's 4
1 to
charges.
5 limited access.
So fail to display, allowing pedestrian right of way, and 1 to 5 limited access.
Miss Ludi.
Yes.
Miss Ludi.
Mr. Okay, yes.
Miss Ludi, are you taking your son to work?
No.
He's gonna need a job to pay all this.
That's what I'm working on now, trying to get my license back so I can get back in the workforce.
You can get back in the workforce without a license.
Actually, no, I'm pretty disabled. I'm trying to find the work that's suitable for me. I've been without work since 2015. Actually, I just recently found home health care that was working a little bit. Then my back started messing back up again. So
I hope you can get it. All right, you want to take this deal, sir?
Yes.
All right, turn your camera on, please. Raise your right hand, please, Mr. Ludi. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines? The misdemeanor offense. Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Ogletree, at some point during the pendency of this case, went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room or at some time, did he not? Mr. Ogletree, you didn't go over his rights with him?
I did. Mr. Luda, can you answer the question?
Yes.
Did Mr. Ogletree?
I thought he was directing the question to my lawyer.
Did he go over your other advice or rights?
Yes.
And did you understand those rights?
Yes.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Correct.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to October the 14th, 2025, at around 6:26 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Newport and Evanston. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Your Honor, he's saying no contest. He said he doesn't recall.
He doesn't recall November the 14th? Operating a 2006 Saturn blue?
Oh, yes, I recall. I just don't fully recall the entire incident. So we just
You don't recall getting pulled over driving that 2006 Saturn
Yes,
at Newport and Evanston?
yes,
You were operating that motor vehicle, right?
yes. Well,
And
yes,
the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
correct.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
Nope.
Why is that?
My license was actually still are suspended at the moment.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display. Let me carry your attention back to Let me carry your attention back to September the 7th, 2025, at around 4:06 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Forest and Gratiot. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
No, I definitely don't recall that one. Sorry.
All right, you want
September
to
7th?
September the 7th, 2024 at 4:06 p.m., driving that same 2006 Saturn at Forest and Gratiot. You want to stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the no contest plea in this one for lack of recollection?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
All right, so, all right, well, I'll find your client, I'll enter a no contest plea to allowing is going to be treated as a guilty plea. Will you stipulate to the face of the ticket on a factual basis for those responsible pleas?
Yes.
All right, so I'll find you responsible as charged to the violation of pedestrian and roadway. And I'll find you responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, excuse me, for the disregarding a red signal.
Okay.
With those two matters, with the stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters.
We stipulate.
All right. Here's what I'm going to do. You indicated you're not working. You want to do some community service to clear this stuff up, or do you want to pay? You want a money judgment?
Money judgment.
All right. The pay $240 for the $240 for the failure to display, and $125 for the limited access 1 to 5. I won't fine you for the other two. And then I'll give you 30 days. I'm going to set the matter for pay by 30 days. And I'll mark the file allow payment plan. If you owe one $336 no insurance proof for some old cases that you have. You'll owe some other civil infractions as well. You owe $222 for an expired plate, $336 for a no insurance, and $174 for an expired plate. That's some old stuff that we weren't going to deal with today because it's too old. But if you pay the $336, you could potentially set yourself up to get a valid license. I say potentially because I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions. I know that it would give you clearances down here. But if you're gonna pay that $336, get into the payment plan after you pay that $336, all right?
Okay, so pay the $336 first, that'll free up my license approval, and then the $240 and $125 get the payment plan for.
And then all the rest of the stuff, because you're on all the other stuff, get the payment plan for. And I won't say it's gonna free your license up. I'll say it'll free your license up down here. I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions, okay?
Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. That's what I'm working on now, man.
All right, well, you got some work to do.
Yeah.
All right. Mr.
All right,
Luty, I wish you the best of luck. Mrs. Luty, Mom, great to see you supporting your son. I know you're never going to stop supporting him, but I
Excuse
wish.
my hair.
Oh, don't worry about that.
I don't know why he did that.
I shouldn't even put her on the camera, man.
Your niece is.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Your niece is supposed to be in here today.
Oh yeah. So what?
Huh?
What did she get?
Niece is supposed to be here today.
Tiara?
Yeah, Tiara Shirley Luty.
Wait a minute.
Probably Sherelle. Oh no, Tiara Shirley Luty.
Tiara Shirley D. Luty.
No, that's the wrong person there.
That's the wrong person, but I do got a niece named Tiara.
Yeah, but her last name is Gary.
Gary.
So that's what we was thinking.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Be safe. All right.
You got 30 days.
All right, appreciate it.
30 days, and then it's either pay it or get into the payment plan. March the 6th.
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Jerisha Long. Wait a minute. Miss Harris, do you have anybody? Oh, we have it.
I have Mr. Leonard, Miss Leonard.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Leonard. Miss Leonard, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel. Her number is in the chat.
Is that what you want to do, Miss Leonard?
Yes, I don't remember for the disorderly conduct.
Okay. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, which is going to be February 10th at 8:30, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. Somebody needs to be quiet. If you don't hear from, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. Is your number ending 4620?
Yes.
All right. And all right, if you don't have any further questions, ma'am, February 10th, best of luck to you, okay?
I do have a question.
Huh?
So, for like my other tickets, I can't get them dismissed right now.
No, that's not how it works, Miss Leonard. I'm gonna start a podcast. Matter of fact, I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna still go do my first thing tonight and introduce. It's going to be called Let's Talk Legal. So it's going to be talking about a lot of the procedural aspects of court and cases, how laws are created. And you might listen in and you might learn a few things about it. But unless I had a basis or for a dismissal, or unless the city attorney was saying, yeah, I like Ms. Leonard so much that I'll dismiss all her other cases except for the disorderly conduct, then it won't be dismissed. We have to go through the process. All right.
Okay. So what date was it for the disorderly conduct?
It's going to be for everything. It's going to be February 10th. If you have some documentation supporting that other stuff, or even on the disorderly conduct, make sure you bring it then. But I really want to hear what's this disorderly conduct, what they say Ms. Leonard did.
Yeah, I want to know too.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. All right.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day.
You too.
You're welcome. Thank you. All right. So where is who's next? Long. Let's go back on the record with Miss Long. Miss Long, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Thank you, Your Honor. I had an opportunity to speak with the city and they spoke with the officers. The recommendation is to dismiss all of her tickets, including the no insurance ticket that's not on the docket today, but was a companion ticket. It ends in 572.
That's on the docket. All right, I got that.
Is.
Miss Long, you didn't want to come back, did you? You didn't want to come back the first time? You said you wanted to pay? Did you say you wanted to pay the first time when you were here?
Oh no, that wasn't me.
All right, Ms. Long, case dismissed. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you so much. Have a blessed one.
You have a better one.
All right. Thank you again, Ms. Jenkins.
My pleasure. Take care.
City of Detroit versus Stanley M. Gray. Case number V13 500124, V13 587524, V1 4400124, V1 4400224, V1 4400324, V1 4400424, V1 4400524, V1 4400624, V1 4400724, V1 4400824, V1 4401024, V1 4401124, V1 4401224, SP 1394265, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 172-56511, SP 184-5314, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 184-5329, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of.
I thought that was Miss Harris that talked to Mr. Gray.
Oh.
Street court.
That's what I was about to say. Cherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gray, it's my understanding that he was working with Mr. Patel.
All right, Mr. Gray, good morning to you. How are things going? Mr. Gray, can you unmute yourself? All right, Mr. Gray, I'm going to turn your camera off. Maybe that'll help.
My phone is actually trying to close.
No, I turned the camera off. Maybe that'll help it go through a little better. I'm going to.
Okay, I hear you now. No, I can't. What the heck?
Hold on. I can hear you now, Mr. Gray.
Yeah, it keep trying to close the app. I'm gonna leave and come back in. Is that okay?
Just state your name for the record.
Oh, Stanley Gray.
All right, I turned your camera off. That helped it. Mr. Gray, how is it going with street court?
I was finished as far as I'm concerned. Well, he asked about I was supposed to do a GED program, but he said get a letter, but I never got back in touch with the lady. She haven't called me back to get a letter. But other than that, everything else was finished.
All right. I'm going to get him to zoom back in right away. All right. He mentioned that he mentioned something about you, but I forgot what he told me. All right. Give me a few minutes. All right. I just texted.
Yes, sir.
I'll pass your matter. All right, David Lee,
Yes.
What is your middle name, sir, if you have one?
Bernard.
Oh, I see. Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus David Bernard Lee. Case number SP 1405981, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lee.
David Bernard Lee.
All right, Mr. Lee, today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. He's got 2 tickets on the same occasion that the allegations were made on the same date, but they're on 2 different court things. So purposes of arraignment, we're going to fix that and consolidate it on both the matters, Mr. Berry. One is a unregistered untitled. The other one is a no insurance misdemeanor that should have rode along with this. For purposes of arraignment on those,
we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lee, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna try to work it out for you. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
That's great.
He's in there. That's David Lee. All right, pass the matter. Mr. Corey Gibbs.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Spoken with anybody, sir? Good morning to you.
Good morning. No, I haven't.
All right. All right, Mr. Corey Gibbs. This is the city of Detroit versus Corey Lee Gibbs. Case numbers SP 1370117, counts 1 and 2 and 3. SP 1097253, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1149841, SP 1162711, SP 1172092, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1256853, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1397005, counts 1 and counts 2. 18442088, counts 1 and 2 and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Nobody wants to represent Mr. Corey Gibbs, huh?
Sorry, I thought somebody was. So Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Gibbs, please state your name.
Corey Gibbs.
Mr. Gibbs, today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrants. Go ahead, Counselor. Purposes of arraignment.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gibbs, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Ms. Harris, he owes only one $288 no insurance proof. Mr. Gibbs, that's all that's affecting his license down here. Go join the breakout room, speak to Ms. Harris, let us know what you want to do when you come out. Join the room, please.
All right, thank you.
Go. Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Mr. David Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Lee, come back February 10th, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, on the iPhone, can you unmute yourself? Well, you're already unmuted. Can you start your camera and state your name, please? Who's on the iPhone there? Come into the picture.
Emmanuel Gracie.
You take your stocking cap off, sir. Please. Good morning to.
So it's part of my religion.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Did you take your stocking cap off, sir? All right, Emmanuel Grayson.
Yes.
I don't see him on the docket. Do you have a case number?
No, I think you had told me something about I supposed to have been coming back for like discuss about how much I had to pay on the tickets or something like that.
What is your last name?
Grayson, Grayson.
288, 288, 288, 288, 174. Man, you just owe a lot of money. I don't see anything open. Oh, review on the 23rd. You missed that day too.
You said it was for the 23rd?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, my phone and stuff been off. Just got my phone back on.
You could have come down here.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So I mean, it's you owe the money. I mean, it's either gonna go into collections. I don't know what else to do or say.
Judge, may I?
You for Mr. Grayson?
Yeah, I just heard part of it. It sounds like he has defaulted civils for no proofs. Are those recent enough that maybe we could set some defaults aside and chip away at the fine somehow?
No, all his stuff has been adjudicated. He just owes money.
Oh, sorry.
But when I talked to you, said you was gonna break it all down to just one ticket.
I don't know. I don't know where you get that from. I don't have his file. Miss Mathis, his file? I don't know where his file is on the 20.
Court date on it?
Is on 23rd was his court date.
Look at it.
That was last Friday. All right, we'll look and see what the file says.
What was his
All right.
first name again?
Emmanuel Grayson.
Middle name Sean.
Yes. You did. Data. Oh, yeah. And then can give Ms. Mathis see if we can print that out. Make a copy of that for him, please. Are we ready on Goree?
Yes, Judge.
Let's go back on the record, or let's call it. This is the city of Detroit versus Vincent Goree. Case numbers SP 133-1257, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 136-5603, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 182-6816, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 182-69561. SP 9222961. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. Tana Jenkins, PA 2663 on behalf of Mr. Goree. Mr. Goree, will you please state your full name for the record?
That's a Gory.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a show cause, at least for one of the matters on the docket. Purposes of arraignment, and then I'm sure the other matters are probably in default.
There were some bench warrants too, Judge.
Yeah, we'll recall the warrant. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Do you want me to list all the cases that I listed into the record?
Well, the warrants, I see 571, 572.
Yeah,
One-
unregistered, untitled, driving while license suspended, no insurance misdemeanor, driving while license suspended, expired plate, no proof of insurance, driving while license suspended, driving while license suspended. He has two other no insurance proofs at $288 a piece. If he paid those, he would get clearances here at 36 District Court. Mr. Gorey, you've already spoken to
Tell him that I emailed it to
Ms. Jenkins. What does your client want to do, Ms. Jenkins?
Judge, I had an opportunity to speak with the prosecutor and she agreed to dismiss one of the no proof of insurance tickets today. Mr. Gorey would like to come into compliance. We were hoping that we could dismiss the most recent no proof of insurance ticket ending in I think I wrote that down wrong. Ending in 8162. Yeah.
It's not gonna do him any good.
Well, I was thinking if we dismiss the no proof of insurance, he would only have to pay one no proof of insurance to get his license reinstated, as opposed to having.
He has two no insurance. He has two old no insurance proofs. That one is not affecting his license at all. The two of them are from years ago.
I thought he just had one no proof of insurance and one no insurance misdemeanor from years ago.
No, that's not the case. He has a driving while license suspended from years ago, and he has a no insurance proof when he got along with that driving while license suspended. That's years and years ago. And then he has another newer no insurance proof. He got a wrong way driving, defective brake lights that went along with the driving while license suspended, unregistered, untitled from years ago.
Can we still dismiss the most recent no proof of insurance today? And he can go try to pay the other two to get his license reinstated and come back with his license reinstated and possibly get compliance dismissals?
Oh, does that have the notes on there?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay.
Once you open it up, you'll see.
And this just being nice, huh?
Well, he is an older gentleman. He's disabled, so he's on limited income. And we would like him to have his car, so it is very nice. Sorry?
He's got a car?
I mean, we would like him to be able to drive conscience free. Does he have a car? Do you have a car, Mr. Gorey?
Yes.
Of course he does.
So, Your Honor, do you know which other older ticket is a no proof for him? What the ending is? What the last three digits are?
5443. And then the other one is 3566.
3566.
A 2018 and a 2022.
Oh, I don't see 3566 in the Register of Action, so that's what that is. Is there any way we could dismiss the 2018, you said?
Your Honor, Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, the people do object.
Okay.
He needs to do some community service. I'll let you do some community service. I'll let you do 12 hours of community service to get those 2 tickets to the $288, those 2 old no insurance proofs done. I'll let you do community service for all of it, but I'll let you do the 12 hours of community service. That'll take care of the 2 old misdemeanors. 2 old civil infractions, no insurance proofs, and that will get you to be able to be clear down here, and then we'll take care of the rest of the stuff.
And does that also mean that his ticket ending in 162 would be dismissed? The more recent no proof?
If that's what you agreed with the city attorney, I don't mind that, but I don't know what, all right. That would have probably been dismissed anyway. Typically, the city dismisses those tickets when he comes into compliance with a license. But yeah, I don't. But I'm not just because he's old and disabled. He's got a frequent flyer list down here. He's been getting tickets for years.
Well, there was a period where he wasn't getting tickets, but I do understand.
Probably didn't have a car.
Maybe. I'm not sure. We like that though, if he could do the community service to get the old 2 dismissed and get the more recent one dismissed today. Can you do community service? You just have to reach out to probation and they'll put you in touch and they'll they should make accommodation for your disability. It's usually working in the church. People enjoy it. It's a heartwarming experience. Mr. Gorey, you'll meet nice people.
Yes, that sounds good.
You don't have to twist his arm, Miss Jenkins. Either he wants to do it or he doesn't.
I said yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right. So how long is it going to take you to do 12 hours of community service?
A week.
How much?
A week.
All right. So what we can do, we'll set it for a pretrial. And if you want to come back next week, we need to get you in touch. I need a phone number from you to get, and so that community service can get in touch with you.
313-728-1813.
All right. And I'm going to give you have an ink pen?
Yes. Yes.
313-965-8130. That's Miss Shelton, the community service coordinator.
Yes.
Make sure you shouldn't have to call her. They should call you. Come back on the 29th of next week. So that way I can get you in here next week. If the 12 hours are done, then that'll get rid of those 2 no insurance proofs. And then you'll be eligible for a license. Or,
okay.
Well, let me say this. You'll be eligible for a license as it relates to the 36th District Court. I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions.
He thinks it's good, Judge.
Pardon me?
He thinks it's good.
He thinks
we
so?
talked about that, yeah.
All right. So if you don't hear from community service by Friday or so, get in touch with us. You know how to get back into the court. You have the number down there for Miss Shelton. Make some calls. That way she can get you set up before the weekend starts, okay?
Okay.
All right, come back on the 29th and we will see where it goes from there, okay?
Okay.
Best of luck to you, Mr. Gorey. I appreciate your patience. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You too. Thank you.
Thank you,
You're
Judge.
welcome. You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lagos. Mr. Lagos, I do have a copy of your testing, and I have a copy of your class. At this time, I'm going to close the matter out. If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day and Happy New Year to you. Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Does Mr. Lagos want?
Mr. Patel, Mr. Grant is here. Stanley Grant.
Yes, I see that. Thank you for reaching back out. Did you get my email about Mr. Grant and requesting an adjournment?
Let me see. I do now. I have it now. Let's go back on the record, Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to, well, you already spoke to Mr. Patel, and you're requesting an adjournment, or he's requesting one on your behalf for the 27th of March, okay? Pre-trial 3/27/2026 at 8:30. Mr. Grant, I continue to wish you the best of luck, and you're 70% complete. You're almost there. I hope everything is going better, a lot better for you now. If you don't have anything further, I think he may be in a break. Is he in the room?
He's in the room. He's in the room, but he's in mute. But if I can get placed in a breakout room to make sure that there isn't a new telephone number with his with him.
Join the room, Mr. Grant. You don't have to come back March 27th. And you have to unmute yourself. I don't know what happened to him. He's in there now. All right, let's go with Mr. Gibbs. Let's go back on the record for Mr. Corey Lee Gibbs. Mr. Gibbs, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a pretrial date so that Mr. Gibbs can approach the Secretary of State.
Pretrial, February 10th, 2026 at 8:30, Mr. Gibbs. You need to pay that $288 before you approach the Secretary of State. Unmute yourself, sir.
Yes. Okay.
All right. All right. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
How are you?
And Your Honor, the people are just checking on Officer Davis. Both Davises here right now.
They're free to leave. Fulkerson is in there. She's for Gray. He's coming back on the 27th of March.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
All right. Officers Davis, you guys are free to leave. R. Davis, I brought you out a long time ago. They took a plea. And M. Davis, I was trying to get your attention a while ago. Let never show. Be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day. Corey G, you're done. Emmanuel Grayson. We have to deal with Grayson here. All right. So Grayson, are you there?
Yes.
All right. So Grayson, I don't take that scarf off your head, please. Okay. The last time you were here, failure to display, you pled to. No allowing, you pled to. Expired plates, allowing, improper plate. All right, so here's the deal. The unregistered, untitled, disorderly conduct, no ops, improper plate. Those were, yeah, I'm gonna call them out to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cases that you haven't paid for a total of $3,096. So 4 of those cases were pled to a long time ago. We didn't even do any, those were already adjudicated. improper plate. Okay, expired plate. That one we never touched because that one was too old. The other expired plate, we didn't touch, it was too old. The defective brake light, we didn't touch, it was too old. The failure to stop, we didn't touch, it was too old. Defective brake light was too old. Expired plate was too old. No insurance proof was too old. Then when you were in here the other day, you pled to a no ops, allowing, and then the other expired plate was too old. So it's all the other stuff was dismissed. You got the other day, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cases dismissed. So this is just all the stuff that you had that you never did take care of from back in the day. The rest of the stuff, yeah, the two you pled to, the 240, 240, that's still here. That's all you pled to. And you pled to more than that. I just didn't fine you for the other stuff. I only fined you for the 2 of them. I didn't fine you for 1, 2, 3. I didn't fine you for 3 other ones. I could have fined you 240, 240, and $240. No, 175, 145. I didn't fine you for those 3. So I don't know what else how you misunderstood.
Oh no, I was just coming because I knew I had a court date that I missed. I was just coming back.
But you told me that I was supposed to dismiss a whole lot of cases. That's what you said.
No, I said you already did. And then
Oh, all right. So I'm gonna do one more thing. This is not much money, but it's some. I'm gonna waive the late fees on this other stuff.
Judge, I'm sorry to interrupt. Is there any way any of his sentence could be converted to community service?
He can, but he didn't want to do any community service, I don't think.
no, I never got asked that. I could do community service.
I'll let him do it all in community service.
Yeah, I could do that.
Thank you, Judge.
It's 100 hours of community service. And I'll even let you come do the first 6. Is he gone? Investigator Fulkerson, Mr. Gray is in there. He's gonna come back on the 27th of March.
27th of March. Sounds good, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Good day.
Have a great day.
Well, I just got the 100 out and he's like, I'm not doing that. No, I think he just probably disconnected.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
think that was an accident.
All right. Well, I'll give him a few seconds. I was gonna tell him his first 6, then he can zoom back in after he finishes the first 6 and we can get the no insurance off of him.
That would be awesome. Sorry to interrupt, Judge.
Mm-hmm.
I said, sorry to interrupt with that
What do you
one.
mean?
Oh, never
Sorry.
mind.
That's just what you do, right?
Yes.
We appreciate the way you advocate. Thank you.
You do it just like Miss Harris.
All right.
All right. Let's see here. Here he is. He's heard that 100. He's like, I'm gone.
I'm back.
So 100 hours. And your first six, I'll even let you come back in after the first 6. You got to show me proof. And I'll take this no insurance proof off of there so you can potentially set yourself up to get a license. I only see that one ticket is affecting your license.
Yep. So I just tried to go get them. They wouldn't let me get them.
Because of that no insurance proof?
Yep.
Yep. That's all you need to do. Do it. 100 hours of community service will clear everything. And then the first 6, I'll let you come back in after you complete the first 6. You can get a license. So if you can do that this week, you can potentially get a license.
Okay. Where do I gotta do my community service at?
You gotta speak with Miss. You're gonna speak with Miss Shelton.
Okay.
And you have an ink pen?
1 second. I got one.
All right, 313.
Okay.
965.
All right.
8130. 965 8130. Miss Shelton, I'm referring this to her. You shouldn't have to call her. They should call you. What's your good number they can